For 25 years, finding information online meant translating complex human thoughts into robotic, fragmented keywords, like the example you see on the left. You had to strip away the nuance of what you actually wanted to make it machine-readable. Modern search engines have moved past that. By using full, natural language sentences, you can ask the exact question you have in mind. On the right, the AI isn't just looking for London and Italian, it's parsing specific conditions like casual, family of four, and vegetarian as distinct requirements. This is the rise of agentic search. On the left, Google acts as a passive directory. On the right, it becomes an active agent, scanning the web in the background to synthesize a custom answer, instead of just handing you a list of links to click. By shifting from keyword translation to a natural conversation, you transform the search engine from a simple index into a decision-making partner. Conversational search is no longer limited to the keyboard. To solve complex problems, we have to look at multimodal inputs. This chart shows how multimodal search works. By uploading images, videos, or spreadsheets alongside your questions, you provide the essential visual or technical context that words alone cannot convey. This drastically reduces the friction of discovery. You don't have to describe a broken part or a complex layout. You simply show the machine what you're seeing and ask for the fix. But these synthesized answers come with a trade-off. A perfectly formatted AI summary can create a dangerous illusion of authority that masks how the information was actually gathered. This is the Google Zero scenario. When an AI overview drops a block of text over the original links, it hides the publishers to keep you on its own page. Cutting through this requires meta-awareness, the ability to recognize the commercial incentives that decide which information is shown and which is hidden. The risk is even higher when the AI hallucinates or presents fabricated data. Because these models often rely on static training data, they can present outdated info as current fact. If you skip a recency check, you might find yourself trusting a pizza glue tip that was actually a 3-year-old internet joke. Relying on a single summary strips away your ability to judge credibility. It turns search into an opaque process where you lose sight of who provided the information and how long ago it was verified. To reclaim your agency, we use the SMART-M framework. It's a structured defense: source verification, multimodal input, adversarial questioning, recency checks, triangulation, and meta-awareness. The most critical step is lateral reading. Instead of reading an AI overview from top to bottom, you open multiple new tabs horizontally to investigate the source's credibility before you trust their data. Let's test this. An AI overview recommends an aggressive financial strategy and cites a tiny footnote from globalfinancetips.net. What is the exact next step you must take? You move away from the summary. You open a new tab, search for that specific publisher, and do a lateral read to see if independent experts actually consider them a reliable source. Taking that one extra step immediately breaks the AI's illusion of authority and puts the control back in your hands. Let's apply the full strategy to a high-stakes scenario, like researching a complex medical symptom where accuracy is the only thing that matters. You start with a nuanced prompt and attach a photo of your medical paperwork to set the context. When the AI provides its summary, apply adversarial questioning. Loop back and ask the machine for counterarguments and limitations. Next, bypass the summary. Click the cited links to verify study dates and triangulate findings across 3 independent primary sources. Review your checklist. Verify sources, use multimodal inputs, apply adversarial questioning, perform recency checks, triangulate across sites, and maintain meta-awareness of bias. In the age of AI search, the machine is a powerful assistant, but the human must remain the lead researcher. Treat every synthesized answer as a starting point, never a conclusion.